being a math genius, or being a science genius. This faceless channel is getting thousands of subscribers per day. It will reach 100K in less than 2 months. Crazy! As you can see, all the videos are very similar and easy to make. So in this video, I will show you how to create this kind of videos and a special tip for millions of views at the end. The first tool is the popular ChatGPT. We will use it to create the questions and options. The second tool is Canva. We will use it to create the design of our video and then bulk, create as many videos you want in just a few minutes. Once in ChatGPT, you will copy the prompt that is on the description so you don't have to copy it manually. Then ChatGPT will provide you a chart with 50 questions. But before I have to explain the percentages, as this is just a tutorial, I told Chat to use false percentages about people's preferences. However, if you are starting to make these kind of videos, I encourage you to ask your audience about their preference. You can use free online surveys. Here I add a little prompt to make percentages more real for this tutorial. Now the percentages do not end in 5 or 0. This is entirely fictional. Later you will have to copy-paste this chart in Canva. Once in Canva, make sure to start your free trial of Canva Pro. Now choose mobile video and let's start the design. First thing we are going to do is to create the background. As you remember, the background was blue and red, so we will create 2 shapes pressing the R. You can use the palette as I am doing to find the best color. First shape is done. Now pressing the R again, we will create the blue shape. Alright, now if as you remember there was a black rectangle in the middle, so pressing the R again, we will create another shape. Make it longer even if you don't understand, because you will understand later when adding animations. The last shape we are going to add is a black circle in the middle. Now we are going to start adding the text on the video. I will use Anton font, which is great. As we are adding text on a black background, we will use white text so that it is visible. Now let's animate the shapes and text. It is very simple. We will use pulse animation for everything. However, we will add a very low speed. After adding all the animations to the shapes, we will make 1 second longer. Now we will think up 2 options for the draft. Later, we will create lots of videos in bulk. For example, I chose pizza and burger. We will use the same font and effects. It is time to adjust the timings. The main goal of this process is to make texts appear in the proper time. We will add first the options, which are pizza and burger, and then the percentages. Moreover, we will leave up to 1 second at the beginning, and 2 seconds at the end. However, this is subjective, so you can add it in the way you want. Okay, this is how it looks without any animations added. Later, we think up any percentages and add them in last 2 seconds, but before, let's add animations to the words pizza and burger. The best animations for these kind of videos are called pop. Make sure to add them both in enter and in exit. And there we go, we have our animations ready. Now we will think up any percentages. 64% likes pizza and 36% likes burger, that could be. Now, as we already said before, we will add the percentages in the last 2 seconds. They will last until the end, so it is not necessary to add animations both on enter and on exit. You just only animations on enter. So this would be the result. We have just finished the draft. Now we will turn this video into 50 different videos like this one. Don't worry about the images and sounds, we will add them later. Now we will copy the chart we made with ChatGPT and head to Canva again. Search on app's Bulk Create app, which is only available on PC for Canva Pro, and press Enter Data manually. Once there, you will paste your chart over there. As you can see, all the elements we got in our chart are here. Now we will connect data, which consists on linking each word of our draft to each columns of our chart from ChatGPT. It is very easy, you will see. For example, burger is connected to thing 2, and 64% is connected to percentage thing 1. The only issue you can experience here is when field of text is on other one and you cannot click on it. But here is the solution. Just zoom the video and make the text shorter. Okay, we are ready to go. Now let's press continue to generate 50 pages of videos. As you can see, it was very fast to create that amount of videos. However, there are some aspects we have to add to make the video more engaging. For example, we will add images and sounds like a clock, a correct ding, and a background music which everyone uses for these videos. First, how can we get images very fast? So here is a tip. Canva offers lots of free images in Elements sections. Make sure to add graphics images which looks better and do not have background. Look how fast I got this pizza and then this burger. We have to adjust the images again so that they appear in the proper moment. It is easy. 5.4 is the length I will use for all the images I add. In this way, I won't lose so much time choosing the length because it will be the same for all of them. Okay, we got our images, but we can add another details of quality, which consists on adding green color to the highest percentage. This way looks way better. Okay, now we will add the clock ticking too. The clock will start when the options appear and will stop a little before percentages appear. I also added a correct ding I got from YouTube. Another detail of quality is the AI voice you can get from ElevenLabs. Listen to this, it is my voice. Pizza or burger? Pizza or burger? And as a reward for keeping until the end of the video, here is the pro tip to get millions of views. A very little and eye-catching intro. Don't forget to add an AI voice as well. Finally, we will download our video on separate files or together depending on what we need. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I knew a lot of you wanted to know how to make What Would You Rather videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Yeah.